Transcription jobs for beginners. Home-based transcription is an online job that allows people to make real money without specialized training or experience required. Just like any real job, it takes time and practice to become efficient. However, the pay and flexibility of the job can be advantageous in the end. In today's post, I will share 5 online transcription jobs that do not require prior experience to get started. Transcription tools you may need to get started. You can get started working from home right away if you have a computer and a stable internet. However, you may need some tools to be successful at transcribing, such as a set of good quality headphones. Plantations is a great brand I have personally used, a reliable foot pedal from Amazon.com. Casting Words. This US company offers online transcription jobs for newbies. The pay is around $1.20 per audio minute for a bad quality audio sound and 60 cents for a good quality audio sound. Online transcription jobs for beginners. Transcribe Me, a transcription site open to beginners with no experience. The work is available worldwide if you are a good English speaker. The pay is around $20 per audio hour. Payment is via PayPal. AccuTran Global. This company also hires part-time transcribers to work from home in the US. You must be very fluent in English. Pay is via PayPal or check. Daily Transcription. This US company welcomes new transcribers to work remotely from home. You can log in and out to complete the work. The rate of pay is 75 cents to $1.10 per minute of video transcribed for general transcription, with other fields such as translation, CCSL, and captioning paying higher. Open to the US and Canada. Pays weekly via check. SpeechPad. This US transcription company offers typing jobs for newbies. The pay is 10 cents to 40 cents per audio minute. Payments are sent out every 2 weeks via PayPal. Need transcription training? Head over to Transcribe Anywhere for a free transcription mini course. This course is designed to help newbies learn precisely what transcription is and how to be successful working from anywhere. I was entirely new for transcription just like you, and this course is one of the few I highly recommend, and best of all, it's free. Sign up for the course and start learning today. Good luck. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.